Ayo, what is this foul bad smell, yeah? What? Wow. Wow. What is this thing? Oh, there is a power button. Let me turn it off and check what this exactly is. Presenting to you ultrasound aroma humidifier. Let's have a look at what exactly is inside this. First of all, it is electricity driven. We can use socket or laptop for that matter to start it. Let me open this and see. So there is water and just few drops of essential oils. There is a wick, I think, which it is using to create the amazing smell out here. There is a power button which I can use, tap to turn it on or off, and there is lighting which comes here once the power button turns on. Amazing. We can do great branding for you and your firm on this product all around it. So what are you waiting for? Enhance your work from home experience of your employees using this humidifier.